One of the big things that kind of freaks people out a little bit, TSA rule, the 3-1-1 rule. You're allowed liquids, aerosols or gels, 3-ounce containers, one Ziploc bag, one per person. Here's a way around that, and that is to go to solids. Now, interestingly, all of those products, whether it's shampoo, deodorant, moisturiser, shaving cream, you can now get all of those as solids. A shampoo, for example, might cost $12 like this, which you might think is expensive, but it will last well more than a year and weighs a fraction of a year's worth of shampoo. Of the liquid shampoo. Which you can't take anyway because those containers are only 3 ounces. Big, They often leak, the small containers, and you have to pull them out of your luggage every time. So consider solid toiletries make a huge difference to ease of travel.
That's a good one.
Okay, so the second one, now this may sound a little strange, but when I travel, I always travel with a pillow slip. I really am freaked out by hard pillows in hotels when I travel. I really like a soft pillow, and I love to be able to rest a little on a plane. During travel, particularly if you have a heavy article of clothing like a puffy,
now I get it. It's brilliant.
Grab this.
Now I get it.
You put the puffy into
your puffer coat
into a pillowcase, and the thing is,
and now you have a down pillow,
which is fantastic for 2 reasons. One, it's great for sleeping. Because of the volume of one of these coats, it won't slip between the seats or between the seat and the bulkhead of a plane.
Nice.
So you really can rest with this. It's really super simple. On your return home, you can use the pillow slip for any dirty linen.
Laundry,
for any laundry that you have. So
I do travel with a laundry bag.
And this is a substitute for that.
Yep.
Now, in terms of the stuff that's in your bag, you guys have seen me use dryer sheets before. These are great. Put one under the car seat of your car, will keep your car fresh. Or put one in your gym bag, will keep it smelling okay. There's another use of them here. The fragrance is pretty strong, so I suggest starting with half of one of these at most. Drop it into your luggage. Will keep everything in there smelling pretty good.
Nice and fresh,
And if you don't like that fragrance, grab one of the mini soaps at any hotel you go to.
And it's like a sachet.
Super simple.
He's good.
And the other half
goes in with the dirty laundry.
The other half goes into the dirty laundry.
What's this?
Travelling with gifts. If the TSA are a little suspicious or don't like the X-ray, they make you unwrap your gifts.
It's horrible. I've seen people crying.
Yeah, and particularly when people go to a lot of trouble to wrap a gift. So when you travel, here's what you should do. Take the gifts as they are. Don't wrap them. Take a flat gift bag, not gift wrapping, and then drop the gift in here, and also take some tissue paper which travels flat, and in one go you have a pretty nicely wrapped gift.
Bring it flat and wrap it when you get there.
Simple as that.
Good one.
Okay?